Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30230. And this is the Galaxy Squad Mini Mech. And I gotta say, it's only 28 pieces. I'm not really expecting this thing to be super complicated. Anyway, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because my plan is to do one of these videos a day, every day for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications. Also, if you are interested in building along with me, so let's see. So for the Galaxy Squad, you have like him wearing some kind of metal breather mask maybe, and him wearing not a breather mask, so with kind of a smirk. So let's see about, we'll go with the smirk version of it. So we got the smirking version, and then we'll pop on his helmet. Twist it a teeny bit. Pop on his helmet, and then we need the visor for the helmet. I do like the visors on these helmets. I think it's kind of a cool addition, and it sort of adds a little bit of, I don't know, like an animation or just an interesting next level of, you know, complexity. Oh, in the description there's links if you're interested in this set, where you can find it on Amazon and Bricklink, and also I've included a link to Brick Set if you just want information about this particular set. Alright, that's kind of neat. So got the clear round piece like so, and then I was trying to figure out what this one was, but we're supposed to put this on top. I guess that's what this step is. I couldn't figure out what the step was supposed to be. And now we got to make our legs. So the legs are going to be the little arms with these things on the ends of them. So we'll make 4 of these. 2, number 2, and then 3 and 4. Number 3, and then number 4. And then these things just are going to snap on this. So I guess it really doesn't matter where, as long as they're at cardinal points. 3 and 4. Alright, so we got those. Now, next we add a turntable to the top, like so. And then we put, have y'all seen any of these pieces in orange before? I don't remember off the top of my head seeing any of them. So this goes here, like so. And then this goes here. And then we put a chair on top. And then chair on top. And then we add the controls, which is pretty much just you robot arm it like so. And then this flips up for the controls. And then we do the back part, which is, that's an interesting one. This, and then 2 of the transparent yellow cones, and then this and this, like so. And then we just attach it to the back. And you get that. That's the back part. And then we put our Galaxy Squad guy in here, driving the mech. Theoretically driving the mech. And then so it's okay, I guess. Not too terrible. It seems like it's a teeny bit off center, though, with the turntable. I kind of feel like it'd be better off if we were moved up a little bit. Did I get that off? No, that's right. Let's see something. I'm curious about this. So if I were to move this, back to here and reattach it here, would it turn better? Nah. Actually, it seems a little better centered, but it looks a little weird now. What do y'all think? I don't know. That's kind of strange. Well, I'll fix it back to normal. I'll fix it back to what it was supposed to be according to the instructions. But that's a little... I don't know. Seems like it's a little bit off. It seems like this position is a little bit off and the other one's a little bit off. I don't know. So, what's the deal with Galaxy Squad? They fight aliens? It looks like they fight aliens. It looks like an alien to me, right? Feels like I need to look at some more Galaxy Squad stuff now. What do y'all think? Opinions about Galaxy Squad one way or the other? Let me know in the comments. Anyway. Oh, extra pieces. You get a robot arm, and you get a visor. Anyway. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.